Hello and welcome. In this short video, I just wanted to introduce you to a really cool app Canva has integrated called the Draw app. So I'm going to show you how this works. I've gone over to create a design and I'm just going to go for a basic one. Let's go for a poster, for example. You can do the Draw app in any of these template designs. Let's make this a bit bigger so we can see it. So over on the left hand side, if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, there's a more option. If we click on that, it then brings up all the different apps that you can now integrate with Canva. And this one under the Create Something New banner is the Draw app. So I'll click on this. It gives you 4 pen options, a size option, transparency, and then a color option. So you can kind of see how this is going to work. The pen and the marker are basically the same. One's thin, one's thicker, but you can change the size here anyway once selected. So I'm going to just select the marker, change the size so it's a bit thicker, and I'm just going to show you. You can now draw directly into your design. And when you've finished, hopefully yours will look a lot better than mine, because this is just an example of what you can do. Click on the Done button and it then turns it into a movable graphic, so you can now move it within your design, copy and paste it, use it wherever you want. So I'm going to delete that and I'm just going to show you the glow pen. The glow pen is quite cool. We've got a nice pink here, full transparency so that we can see it clearly, and a little bit higher, so it gives a nice clear line with a glow around the edge. Now I like this, especially if you want to create some text and you want to just have a nice glow around the outside of it. You can just do this and then you will have you have a lovely glow around the outside. You can make it look neater than this, or you can make it look as messy as you like. Then you can add your text box within the circle and you've got a lovely glow around the outside. But again, you can change the sizing, so you can have it huge, and the glow is also bigger. The bigger the size, the bigger the glow. The transparency as well, it just gives you a slight transparency on that, but you can create some very effective designs using these. Again, click Done and it turns it into a movable design you can add anywhere. The highlighter is basically a square pen, so it will follow around with a square movement. And then if I click Done, I'll delete that. And then lastly, the pen is just a pen, so that is pretty much all you get with that. But again, it gives you the eraser option. If you make a mistake, you can take parts out. You can change the size, you can change the transparency, and again you can change the color. If you click Done once you're finished, and then it creates it into this. So that is it for the Draw app, just a super quick overview of what it can do.